In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your bank account on Etsy with Plaid in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy uses Plaid to securely connect and verify your bank account instantly, so you can receive payouts without delays. Now, if you want to verify your bank account using Plaid on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. Next, go to Finances and select Payment Settings. This is where your bank details are managed. After that, find your bank section and click Verify with Plaid. Now, search for your bank from the list provided. Then, log in using your online banking credentials and confirm the connection. Once approved, your bank account will be verified instantly and ready for payouts. Keep in mind that you should use the correct online banking login details. If your bank isn't listed, you can choose manual verification instead. Also, Plaid is designed to be secure and does not store your banking password. That's it. Verifying your bank with Plaid is the fastest way to connect your account and start receiving Etsy payments smoothly.